Whoa! So today is the last day that I'm going to be reviewing this wine advent box. And the reason why is because there are 24 wines in this box, but there are 12 unique varietals and or blends. And I'm not going to review things I've already reviewed once throughout the holiday season to see if I'd like it more than the last time I reviewed it. That just doesn't make sense to me, and I don't have the time to edit that. So instead of 24 videos, you're getting 12, and this is the last one. So let's take a look at this wine. I'm hoping it is the only type of wine that we have not tried yet. And by we, I'm including you because you're part of this channel too. But anyway, so I have not had the rosé. It's listed on there, and it's the rosé. Yes. So stay tuned for the 2019 Bougie Rosé. Alright, so I just opened the last of the wines I'm going to review out of this advent calendar, and today is the 2019 California Bougie Rosé. It is 13.3% alcohol by volume, and it is a 2019 from California. I'm not sure what else to say other than that. However, it does have a screw top, +1, and I finally figured out how to open these things without wrecking my thumb and my index finger, and that kind of like really fatty pad I have, because I eat way too much brisket and I live in Texas. That's a totally different episode. But yeah, I finally figured it out. It only took me 12 videos. But what is the color of this rosé? In terms of the color, you are a medium pink, no artifacts, no cloudiness. All right, so on the nose, oh, you smell like a rosé. Thank you. I was really worried about when I got around to doing the rosé because the red wines all smell the same. The white wines, are hit and miss. Man, the rosé smells like rosé. I'm getting strawberry, I'm getting raspberry, I'm getting like a little bit of like a candied peach. And there's this nice kind of like blossom element to it, like a white flower. I said it because I assume white flowers are lighter than other flowers, but my battery's about to die, so hold on.
All right, so it looks like the battery swap that I did a second ago actually killed the second half of this video for some reason. So anyway, what I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna do the blick, but I'm gonna do it over random stock footage I found of wine. From a balance standpoint, 1 point. The rosé has the right amount of acid, body, residual sugar, and alcohol. It's very similar to what I would find on a normal shelf. So there, that's there. Length, 0.5 point, barely medium finish, but just got there, barely. In terms of intensity, medium intensity on the nose and medium plus on the palate, so I'm gonna go ahead and just give it 0.5 point. And in terms of complexity, 0.5 point. There's a good range of primary fruit and floral notes, but there's no MLF and no other secondary elements that I could pick out of it. So in the end, the rating, I'm gonna go ahead and give you good, and yeah, that's where I'm gonna stand. Anyway, this has been Stuart with Wine on the Dime. If you liked today's video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have you tried the rosé from the Bougie Wine Advent Calendar? I'd be interested to know if you have. Leave a comment below, and I'll see y'all again soon with another episode from Wine on the Dime with a lot less stock footage.